We had a little bit of snow here in Maryland the other day. Well, 8 inches to be exact. And it was crazy to watch. See, it seems that most drivers apparently have little or no idea how traction or the laws of physics actually work. The first mistake many of the drivers I saw made was to floor the gas pedal in an attempt to get moving. I guess they think more power is the answer, when in reality less or a lot less power is the true answer. When the going is slipperier, the key to keeping a car moving is maintaining traction, and that often means less power to the wheels. Now think about it as if it were a burnout. You have never seen a car do a burnout at idle because it takes a lot of power to make the tires lose traction and spin. Now that same effect is true of moving on ice, snow, or any slippery surface. I know the temptation is great when your tires are spinning to give it just a little bit more gas. After all, the sensation you get is that the car just doesn't have quite enough power to get going, and a little more power will push it over the edge and you'll move. But stop, think, relax, and instead of pressing on the accelerator, let up on the accelerator. The theory here is to match the power going to your wheels to the amount of traction available to your tires. When the amount of power exceeds the available traction, the wheels spin, and the car doesn't move. Add to that, when the wheels spin, they create heat. That causes the surface of the snow or ice to melt, creating a film of water. Now, a thin film of water on top of ice or packed snow reduces traction even further. And all your overzealous wheel spinning has done is to make matters worse, not better. Easy on the gas is the best way to move when the going gets slick. Another thing to consider is following distance. Many of the accidents that occurred during a snow event are caused by not allowing enough distance between you and the car in front of you. The same factors that cause wheels to spin cause wheels to slide when braking. So always allow more space for stopping. But an argument I often hear is, nah, I have ABS brakes to prevent wheel lockup during braking on slippery surfaces and so on. So I'm good. You think? It doesn't always work like that. If all 4 wheels are on a slippery surface, they can lock up and the ABS has no clue, and you, my friend, are in deep stuff. See, it works like this. When all 4 wheels are on a slippery surface like packed snow or ice, all 4 wheels can lock and stop turning, at which point you have lost control and the ABS, well, it thinks you're sitting still. The only way ABS works is by looking at the difference in turning speed between wheels during braking. As long as all wheels are turning at the same speed, ABS does nothing. ABS only intervenes when one wheel turns more slowly, indicating it has lost traction. At this point, the ABS releases the brake on the slower turning wheel to let it regain traction, then reapplies the brake to maintain control. But when all 4 wheels are locked up and not turning, guess what? ABS thinks the car is standing still, and you slide merrily along out of control. So, when it's slippery, you have to pay attention to what your car is doing, and you have to know what to do to bring it back under control. It is still you, the driver, that has ultimate control. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to Goss's Garage on YouTube, follow us on Facebook, and for more car tips, tricks, and money-saving ideas, visit goss-garage.com. Drive gently, See you next time, right here in Goss's Garage.